how to fix Discord server boost problem. So to fix this issue, you can start by offloading the app on your iOS device. Just go to your device's settings, then go to general and tap on iPhone storage. Now find Discord from the list, or you can just simply tap on your search bar and search for Discord. Tap on it. Now tap offload app and then tap offload app to confirm it. Once you do that, you will see reinstall app right here on your screen. Instead of offload app, tap reinstall app. Now the next thing what you can do is use the desktop web browser, because mobile apps experience purchase or menu glitches when trying to process transaction. So simply go to one of your web browser, for example Google Chrome or Safari. Now go to Discord login page, tap on a website. Now enter your email or phone number and password, then login. Then tap the browser menu and select request desktop site. Then navigate to the server you want to boost and apply the boost or manager subscription there. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next one.